Hi, Tracy says, Tracy McElfresh here with sewing tips in under a minute. I've been kind of off my game lately. I'm back, I'm early, getting stuff done. So today I am altering spaghetti straps, and they're actually really easy. So the first thing you want to do is take a marker and measuring gauge and mark on the inside of the strap where nobody can see how much it needs to be taken in, how much strap needs to be taken off. And then you need to find access to the gown. So you'll want to go up. I'm going up through the inside of the lining and I'm pulling the gown, and then I will take tweezers to get the rest of that out. Then I will carefully pick all of the stitches. They're usually sewn down twice, and pull my strap up carefully until I see that little dot that I made on the inside. Now you want to be careful not to let it get twisted on here. That can happen. You can take it apart, sew it again, and then come back and it's still twisted. So what you can do is just take a little tiny pin and put a pin in vertical, flip it and check it if you need to. But yeah, it's really that easy. So if you want to follow me, I'm Tracy Sews, Tracy McElfresh on Instagram, so TracySews. I won an award, Best Blogger on the Planet for dressmaking one year, and I write an article on things that I make every single week, so you can check that out. Last week I made a coffee table out of treadle and wrote about that. Next week I made this bohemian patchwork dress, and so I'll be writing about that. Tracy's Sewing Studio, it should be on here. If you got time, like, subscribe, give me feedback. What questions do you have? Do you have anything you'd like me to show that I can try to keep within a minute? So that's it. Tracy Sews. Thanks. Bye.